In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can change currency on Trust Wallet. You can simply change to any preferred currency on Trust Wallet in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Trust Wallet. Tap on the settings icon just right here. Then select the option of Preferences. You will see the first option of currency. Tap on it and select any currency of your own choice. Let's select our currency to be in euros. It will automatically update. If you're having any trouble, just refresh your Trust Wallet and it will successfully get updated. That's how easy it is to change to any currency on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.